It's better to burn out than to fade away. My, hey, hey. Hey, Drue James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com. I'm playing My Hey Hey by Neil Young, or My Hey Hey Out of the Blue by Neil Young. There you go, that's technically its title. And it's got a great acoustic riff, which I adore playing, and I'm really looking forward to teaching it to you. And then it's got a handful of open chords. We're in the key of A minor, so it's pretty simple to put together. A little bit of housekeeping on this one. To play along with him, you need to down tune your strings, and you need to tune them all the way down what we call a whole step. So that means you take the D string down, the E string, sorry, down to D, you take the A string down to G, the D string down to C, the G string down to F, the B string down to A, and the E string down to D. So if you do want to play along with him, that's what you need to do. I'm keeping it in standard because who's got the time? Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you through the riff. Let's start learning it now. So you're going to need, for the riff itself, 3 chords. You're going to need an A minor, a G, and an F major 7. If you know those chords, then skip along to the video. I've left there's a little text link there now that you can just skip over to. But if you don't, I'm just going to teach them to you. So for the A minor, index finger on fret 1 on the B string, 5th string down, middle finger on fret 2 on the D string, and ring finger on fret 2 on the G string. And strum the bottom 5 strings for that chord. Sad sounding chord if you've got it right. The G, fret 2 on the A string, fret 3 on the E string, and fret 3 on the thinnest E. If you don't know the names of the strings, Eddie 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie, E, A, D, G, B, E. And F major 7, it's a 3 fret stretch, we call it, because you're stretching over 3 frets. So index finger on fret 1 on the B string, middle finger on fret 2 on the G string, and ring finger on fret 3 on the D string, and you strum the bottom 4. Okay, good. So A minor, G, F major 7, okay? So let's look at the first part of the riff. Okay, so we're playing in A minor, and we're picking the bass note of the A minor. This is the 2nd string down, the A string. So we're going to pick that, and then strum the A minor. Now for added depth on this, or sort of added variety, when you do the strums, hit just the bottom 4 strings rather than the bottom 5. So you get this bass ting. That's what you're looking for. That's just a little bit of flair to make it a little more like the record. Then you're playing open on the A, fret 2 with the middle finger on the A, and fret 3 on the A. So it's all one string, and then open D string. And then strum a G. So open A, strum A minor, 0, 2, 3, open D, strum a G. So this is what we've got next. So we're going to play an open A string, and we're going to hammer it. Now this is another reason to use the index finger for the G, because the index finger is stronger for your hammer-on. So do it this way. It's possible, but there's a good chance that you can hear there what I'm doing is I'm muting the string below. But we need a nice clean note like that. So we're going to pick the A string, hammer it to fret 2. Now a hammer, we just slap the finger down quite aggressively into the fret. So I'm not going, but I'm hammering. So hammer, and then you're going to flick off. So that's why you get a 0, 2 to the hammer, and then pulling the finger away to get that sound, rather than the very different, right? So pick, hammer, flick. As you flick, you just drag the string down. When you're on the bass notes, you generally drag down to get that sound that you need there. You can hear that? Okay. Then fret 3 on the thickest string, then open on the A. So it's... One more time. And then strum an F major 7. So let's put it all together really slowly. Here we go. And again. Okay, good. A little bit quicker. Okay, as a tip with this, because we're going from picking to strumming, try to keep that right hand as close to the strings as possible. So as you do the strum, don't end down here, just end just a little push. I anchor my finger on the body to help me keep close. Works for about 50% of students, not everybody likes that though. But stay close. Okay, so that is riff number 1. We're now going to look at riff number 2. So riff number 2 is identical to riff number 1 in the beginning. So that's open A string, strum A minor, and then there's 0, 2, 3. So that's all the same. The only thing that's different is the part that precedes it, and it goes like this. So the one thing that's helpful to note as you're learning this is we've got another hammer on, like we had on the A string. This time we've got it on the D string, so the third string down, playing the open D, hammering it and flicking it on fret 2 to 0. And then fret 3 on the A string, open on the D, and then fret 3 on the D string to make our F major 7. So if I just do that slowly, just look at how I make the F major 7. Okay, so riff 2 slowly. Build up the speed as you get to know the 2 riffs. So let's put riff 1 and 2 together at a medium tempo, and then I'll talk to you about what the strumming is that bridges the 2 riffs. Riff 2. And riff 1 again. Good. So once you've got those riffs and you can play them round, well done, first of all, because that's quite an achievement. And now let's look at the strumming that happens as it joins the 2 riffs and at the end of riff 2. This is riff 2. News is what happens as it joins riff 1 to riff 2 and at the end of riff 2 is the same strumming pattern. So you're taking your F major 7 and you're going down, 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 up, miss, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, miss, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, miss, up, down, up, down. You don't need to think too much about the miss. I'm only saying the miss to demonstrate where there is a bit of space, where there's 2 ups. Okay? Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. You can hear that 2 ups. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so slowly, and I'll give you the strumming direction when we get into it. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. With 2. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, repeat, and down. Okay, good. So that is a great proportion of the song, and Neil Young references that riff throughout the tune. Some other things that we need to know: when the singing comes in for the My Hey Hey, rather than an A minor, what I can hear is an A minor 7. So that's where you lift up the ring finger of the A minor, so you're on fret 1 on the B string, fret 2 on the D. Instantly, you could also put your little finger on fret 3 on the thinner string if you want to add that extra G note in, but that is optional. So the main rhythm of the song: down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So I call this the chill out pattern. It's a really versatile pattern that works well. The chords that I'm using there are G, F major 7, and another F major 7. A minor, rock and G is here to F major 7. Then different chords to a C. Okay, so with your C, a nice easy change from F major 7. Just move your middle and ring finger up a set of strings. Leave the index where it is. So you're on fret 2 on the D string and fret 3 on the A string. Index finger stays on fret 1. And we're going to keep that same rhythm going from a C to an E minor. Down, down, up, down, up, down. With the E minor, fret 2 on the A string, fret 2 on the D. And we're also going to put in fret 3 on the B string to get an E minor 7. Down, down, up, down, up. So I'm going down, down, up, down, up. No little finger, then little finger. So that part again. C, it's better to E minor, little finger, then A minor, and fade away. Then you can go to F major 7 again, or a full bar F if you're feeling saucy. Fade away, and then we're back to A minor 7. Hey, hey. He then joins with riff 1 between verses. Verse 2, we're back to our A minor 7. It's out of the G and into the F major 7. A minor 7, they give you G and you pay for F major 7. Then C, once you're E minor 7, you can never come back. Out of the blue to F major 7, and then back to full riff this time. So that is all of the components of the song. There's some great words in it. There's a verse 3 and then a verse, there's a verse 4 as well, so it's basically 4 verses. Now you know that riff, that will really help propel the song and bring it more than just sort of strumming the chords and singing it over the top. Do remember, if you do want to play it in the same key as Neil Young on the record, then you do need to down tune your strings. So that means loosening them. You want to take the E string down to D, the A string down to G, the D string down to C, the G string down to F, the B string down to A, and the E string down to D. Keep on playing. See you again soon.